Greetings all. So one of the top 10 questions I get in my mentoring practice is, how can I tell when my painting is done? How do I know? This is especially true for us abstract artists out there that are mining our symbols and color and shapes into something that's cohesive that we want to communicate to the outer world. I have wrestled many paintings to the ground. I have what I call ruin paintings, but one ruin painting for me might not be for you. I have devised 5 top ways for you to be able to discern for yourself if a painting is done. I am hosting a one-day, April 6th, from 1 to 4 Mountain Standard Time, where you can submit work beforehand that you want to discuss for yourself if that painting is done. And we will work together. I will show you work that I've done over the years where I have overworked, or how I can tell if my painting is done for me. Hope to see you there. You can sign up on the link above to reserve your spot for April 6, 2023. See you there.